Kasi mahigpit ang parents ko. So, yung crush ko or anything, may relasyon sa boys, bawal yan. So, crush, napanood ko kasi si Kokoy sa, ano yan, Two for the Road, yung kay Elvira.
Oo, Elvira.
Diyos ko na, first crush ko na. Doon tumibok ang puso ko, talaga. Tapos, hindi alam ko na yung bahay nila. Tapat ng Cherry. Tambay ako ng tambay ng Cherry na abangan ko. Nung malaman ko, that was the time na sa Madrid siya, wala naman pala ako. Wala akong naabangan. There was a time may lumabas na car from their house. Car. Hinabol ko. Di ba siya Boulevard yun eh. BC Street yun. Nakandot ako sa Cherry, may lumabas na car sa bahay nila. Alam mo, hindi ako tumingin, maski hinabol ko yung car. Alam mo yung mga jeep na galit sa akin. Inaway-away nila ako sa gitna ng Shaw Boulevard. Papakamatay ka ba? Ayun ang aking storya.
Pero hindi mo alam na nasa Madrid si Kokoy.
Hindi ko alam.
Abang ka ng abang.
Oo.
So talagang crush mo.
Pa ako ng sapatos sa kakahabol. Takot na sapatos ko sa kakahabol.
Ano naman ang kwento mo sa pagka-crush kay Kokoy? Koy ka ba?
Well, idol na idol ko siya kasi una yung boses niya, ganyan, talagang gusto ko, tsaka yung mga songs niya, and then yung mga lyrics, in love na in love ako. Although nung araw, maliliit pa kami, syempre, bawal. Alam mo na, iba yung tao nung araw, iba yung ngayon. But now, I can tell, may edad na ako, nakakasalita na ako kung anong gusto ko, no? Pero, yung pagkakaano ko kay Kokoy, it's like, Kokoy is my second Kokoy of my life, my husband. My husband is very handsome too. He's like Kokoy. May similarity sila. And then the way he speaks, the way he moves, ganyan. It's like my husband. Parang nakikita ko yung husband ko sa kanya. At the same time, love ko siya talaga. Yeah, love. Kaya dalawang love ko sa buhay ko eh.
Ako rin.
Of course, yung una, syempre, and then si Kokoy. Kaya, kanina, tayo, talagang tumutulo yung luha ko. Kasi, iba yung paghanga ko, iba yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi iba ako pag nagmahaling. Yun lang.
Ano po niyang takpan si Kokoy?
Anong masasabi mo, hindi ngayong death anniversary ni Kokoy? Dapat dito ka naman. Dapat dito ka naman. Dito ka, ito yung picture ni...
Ayoko matakpan din siya.
Okay, sige, yung matikpan.
Kokoy, andito ako. It's almost 83 days. Mission accomplished from Nora's at the libingan ng mga bayani, then birthday at Iriga City. Then for you, Kokoy, this time, mission accomplished. Thank you for inspiring me. In the twilight of my life, I found another joy, another life.
You came to the Philippines for the event.
Yes, yes, for 83 days. And this is especially for Nora and Kokoy. Thank you so much. I found new friends, new family through Kokoy and Gayo.
As the last part of this video, I would just like to give a tribute to our dearly departed Gaikoy friend and fan na si Miss Vera Ocampo. Of course, alam na natin ngayon na hindi yun ang pangalan niya, but the community knew her as Vera. And it is one of the high points of covering Guy and Kokoy that I met persons like her na talaga namang naging mabait at very nice sa akin. Gusto ko lang alalahanin na we met like a few times. It all started when she messaged me at sinabi nga niya na gustong-gusto niya yung vlogs ko and if we could meet. And after that, nasundan pa ito. Unfortunately, before she died, hindi na namin siya nakita noong June 14 when we had an event for the death anniversary of Kokoy. So first and foremost, Vera told me that she was a Kokoy fan, and napakagandang alalahanin yung sinabi rin niya na like most of you nagpunta doon sa bahay nila Kokoy sa Shaw Boulevard at hinarap din daw siya ng gracious na nanay ni Kokoy na si Ma'am Celia. Ayun, and she was always active in the events, right? Like she went to I'm not sure, the death anniversary of Atigay. She went to the documentary film, and she really read the chapters of teacher Nipi's book, yung Lollipops and Roses, the fanfic. So in fact, yun nga ang naging obsession niya, yung book ni Teacher Nipi. She was encouraging me really to read it, and then I would tell her, hindi ko yata ma-access, na hirapan akong ma-recover yung luma kong Wattpad account. So, ayun, and she was making kulit about kailan daw yung next chapter, ganyan. So, magandang alaala yon. And we had coffee, in fact, last June. Well, June pa rin naman. And she told me more about her life, ganyan, that she took care of her mom before her mom died. She retired from government at the age of 60. Ayun. And looking back now, at least na nakapag-enjoy pa si Vera ng kanyang retirement for at least 9 years, and puro kabutihan lang talaga ang maalala ko kay Vera. So unfortunately, hindi naging maganda ang ending ng buhay niya, and I'm just talking about it now because it really affected me for like the first few weeks since June 14, and then June 15 nalaman ko. So let's pray for her soul, and let's hope that justice will be attained. So let's say a prayer for a Kokoy fan like Elvira Ocampo. Maraming salamat po.